In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Shopify store in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're just getting started with your online business or looking to spruce up your existing store, you're in the right place. Designing a Shopify store can be overwhelming, but with these simple steps, we'll have your store looking professional and inviting in no time. First things first, head over to Shopify's website. It's important to start from the main page to ensure you're navigating through the correct channels. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on that. This is where you'll need your email address and password to access your Shopify admin. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Otherwise, proceed to log in. After entering your credentials, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Shopify admin. This dashboard is your command center, where all the magic happens. Look for a button or link that says My Store or Home. This is where you'll find a comprehensive view of your store's current status and activities. The next step in the design process is to click on Customize. This option is typically found under the Themes section of your admin dashboard. Clicking here will take you to a visual editor where you can start bringing your brand's vision to life. Within the theme editor, you'll see options to highlight different sections of your store's theme. These highlights allow you to make specific changes to areas like your header, footer, product pages, and more. Clicking on these highlights will bring up the customization options for each section. It's in these areas that you can start to really make the store your own. You can change things like fonts, color schemes, and even the layout of certain pages. As you navigate through the theme settings, you'll find options to adjust more than just the appearance. For instance, clicking on Logo allows you to upload and adjust your store's logo. This is a crucial part of branding, as your logo is often the first thing customers will associate with your business. Make sure it's visible and aligns with your overall design aesthetic. Moving on to colors and typography. These are foundational elements of your store's design. The colors you choose will set the tone of your store, while the typography will make it easy or difficult for customers to read and engage with your content. Shopify provides presets, but encourages customization to match your brand. The colors and typography settings are your tools for these adjustments, offering a way to harmonize your store's look and feel. Another important aspect of your store's design is its layout. The layout affects how your products and content are organized and presented to visitors. Shopify's theme editor allows you to tweak this under the layout section. This can mean adjusting the width of your pages or the way products are displayed on a grid. Today, dynamic elements like animations are becoming increasingly popular for engaging visitors. Under animations, you can enable features like Reveal on Scroll, which adds motion as users navigate your site, creating a more interactive experience. Then there's the customization of buttons, a seemingly small detail that can significantly affect user experience. The buttons section lets you adjust the border thickness, color, and more. This ensures that your call to action buttons stand out and encourage clicks. Lastly, after going through all these design elements, it's time to focus on your products. Navigate back to the Shopify admin and click on Products. Here you'll have the option to Add Product. This is where you'll input your product details, images, and more. Remember, no matter how beautifully designed your store is, it's the products and how they're presented that will ultimately convince customers to make a purchase. These steps, when executed thoughtfully, will transform your Shopify store into an aesthetically pleasing, easy to navigate, and brand cohesive online shop. Remember, the key to a successful design is consistency and clarity. Your store should reflect your brand's identity and values, making it instantly recognizable to your customers. With these guidelines, you're now equipped to design a Shopify store that not only looks professional, but also offers a seamless shopping experience for your visitors. Take your time to experiment with different design elements to see what works best for your brand, and most importantly, have fun with the process. After all, this is your online space to showcase what makes your brand unique. Thank you for watching, and here's to creating a Shopify store that you and your customers will love.